Do you love smoothies and shakes but hate the hassle of making them? Do you wish you could enjoy your favorite drinks on the go without worrying about spills or leaks? Do you want a blender that can do more than just blend? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need the GREECHO Portable Blender. This innovative product is the world's first one-handed drinking blender that lets you blend and drink from the same bottle. No more transferring, no more mess, no more waste. The GREECHO Portable Blender is not only convenient, but also safe and durable. It has dual protection systems that prevent overheating and overloading, and it is made from food-grade, non-toxic, and eco-friendly Tritan material that is BPA-free. You can rest assured that your drinks are healthy and safe. But the GREECHO Portable Blender is not just for smoothies and shakes. It can also handle other tasks like grating cheese, mincing garlic, and making frozen cocktails. It has a high-speed mixer system that can crush ice, nuts, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. You can create delicious recipes with ease. The GREECHO Portable Blender is also easy to use and clean. It has a 20% larger caliber that makes it easier to feed ingredients, and a simple double press operation that starts and stops the blender. To clean it, just add some water and double press again for automatic cleaning. No need to disassemble or scrub. The GREECHO Portable Blender comes with everything you need to enjoy your drinks anytime and anywhere. It includes a 12 ounces portable blender, a micro USB cable, a user manual, a quick start guide, a lifetime warranty, and friendly customer service. You can charge it with any USB device, even in your car. So what are you waiting for? Order your GREECHO Portable Blender today and discover the convenience and versatility of the one-handed drinking blender. You'll never want to go back to your old blender again. Order your GREECHO Portable Blender now. Link in the description.